Welcome to the product demo of the PN100 pallet notcher. Notch up to 2 stringers at a time with the PN100 pallet notcher. Available in single or 3-phase electric power, the PN100 features an industry-leading carbide tip cutter head for consistent and accurate notching with a production rating of up to 300 double-notch stringers per hour. In addition, the ergonomic clamping system reduces material realignment needs, while the push and feed return table is safe and user-friendly for clamping or reloading material. Combine these top-notch features with the industry-leading reliability and durability of Wood-Mizer equipment for a pallet notcher you and your business can depend on. Efficiently single-notch 1 4x4 stringer or 2 2x4 stringers up to 96 inches long with each pass of the table. Safely secure the stringers against the board stop during the cutting cycle with the ergonomic handlebar that activates the ratchet clamp lock system. With material safely secured, the unique counterbalance table is pushed over the cutter head for notching. The table returns and remains at the starting position for loading, unloading, or changing position of the material for the next cycle. An indexable carbide tip cutter head, 10-inch diameter by 9-inch wide and 2-inch diameter arbor with replaceable blade inserts consistently and accurately creates 1.5-inch deep by 9-inch wide notches. The cutter head features an extended safety guard for additional protection. Powerful 10 horsepower 240 or 480 volt 3-phase, 10 horsepower 240 volt 1-phase, and 15 horsepower 240 or 480 volt 3-phase electric motors are available for any type of electrical setup. The motor is engaged using an enclosed magnetic start-stop control. Convenient 10-inch diameter dust collection port keeps sawdust away from the machine in the work area when connected with a dust collection system. 2000 CFM recommended for dust collection. The PN100 is strongly built and compact. At 760 pounds, the PN100 includes built-in forklift pockets for easy mobility around the shop. Manufacturing the PN100 pallet notcher by the Wood-Mizer owned and operated factory in the United States provides the best combination of premium quality equipment at a low cost to you. With a 2-year warranty, the PN100 pallet notcher is backed by the same level of service, quality, and safety features shared by the entire family of Wood-Mizer wood processing equipment. Thank you for watching the demo of the PN100 pallet notcher. For more information or to order, visit woodmizer.com or contact your local Wood-Mizer representative.